Happy Friday evening, everybody. I swear, ClickUp dev team, you were just waiting for me to have my dinner ready to release the new update, right? All joking aside, 2.3.8 update is out as I'm looking over. We do not have the official release notes out yet. They are not even there yet. Luckily, between our consultants and everything, there is a release note page that has made their way into the ClickUppers group, and I was able to get the link to the proposed notes. So what that all means is we do not have the official release notes for 2.3.8 yet. You need to bear with me because I'm half a bottle into white wine. I had fun with one of my girls in social distancing today, but I did not want to skip on this release. So let's pull in the unofficial release note document that has been shared on the Facebook group already, and let's see what we are having. Again, let's take this all with a grain of salt. There is some links that are not working yet or anything, but considering it has been shared in the ClickUp group, I figured we can pull it in. This is a really fun widget for our dashboards, which I am excited about, and I'm pretty sure Anne is really going to be loving this one too. It's a cycle and lead time widget, meaning how much time does it take for a task to be completed after it's created or after it's started? So this specific widget, let's see if we can pull it up. Let me move this over so I can keep looking at this too. So when we go into dashboards and we just do a new dashboard, and or not. How about you just give me a new dashboard, please? Thank you. I swear everybody needs to go back to work because my internet is being crappy as of late. And we are adding a widget of, they're calling it cycle. Can I actually search here? Let's see if we can find this. Ooh, look, there it is, cycle time. You can choose your location, and I've been really bad with doing my timing stuff. So sample period, 14 days, time week. Ooh, this month by weeks. Let's do by month, and let's do this year. Let's see if we're gonna get enough out of this. Let's just select all, just for the fun of it. Group by done. So that's where you're going to have to make the decision. Are you grouping this by closed, so a full-on closed status, or one of your done statuses? Let's just throw subtask in there too. Yes, we are including archived and no task filter. Let's see if it's going to show us anything. Oh, yeah, it does something. This is what happens when you use your own space also as a sandbox. Your cycle time is 51 days. Yeah. This is not how your cycle time should be looking like. So yeah. But so what this is going to be telling you is how efficient you are working. So I'm really excited about this, especially with me cleaning up my workspace and really listening to what I teach other people. Yes, I'm one of those. So if you are coming back, let's see if we can just filter this. I wonder where you're going to get a better, let's not use the all, let's use, that should do something. There we go, that's better. And this is because we have a whole bunch of backlog because I've been taking care of clients. So what this is going to do is you can drill down into specific spaces and areas and see how fast are you getting stuff done. How long does it take you from starting the task to actually finishing it? So again, Anne is probably really going to like this one. And I do too. This is perfect for anybody that wants to stay on top of things and make sure things are getting done. And we'll see what that's going to be about. Then we have for our nerds. Cheers, by the way. Happy Friday, everybody. For our nerds, maybe I should call this feature and wine. No, that doesn't rhyme. If anybody can come up with a rhyme for our feature Friday first look kind of thing that rhymes with wine, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. But comment below if you can rhyme something so that I can actually officially have a drink while walking you through these. I would love this. GitHub version 2.0, guys. Where are my nerds? Where are my coders? You are getting a new version for the GitHub integration. So what do we have? We have link pull requests both ways. Sweet. Two-way integration is always awesome. Create a pull request in ClickUp. See the status of your pull request. Ooh, that's a nice one. Create branches in ClickUp. Access tons of quick actions and so much more. I do not have a GitHub integration. I'm not quite as nerdy anymore as many of you, but my developers are gonna love this. So sorry guys, not more information on that. You're gonna have to play on this by yourself. This nearly ended up like a really bad comment. Just because I don't have the GitHub integration, so that's about as much as I can give you. Activity by dashboard widget. Ooh. If you're enjoying our new activity view, today is a lucky day. Now you can cherry pick activity information across multiple spaces. Sweet. Now this is perfect to tracking my client process and what they've been up to. Ooh, Karen has been working on her. Let's plug that in here. You don't need to see all of her work, but activity view. While Gabriel is trying to find the release notes, guys, give me 1 second, just trying to help. Tip channel. This is what happens when you go live and walk through everything. Activity view. Sorry, I'm back to you. Yes, I'm a multitasker, and yes, I'm half a bottle in. Let's do the client training. I know there's something going on. We are including subtasks. Yes, let's do the 2, and yes, let's do close 2. Don't need that. That should do it. Ooh, look. So now you can, let's make this a little bigger so you actually see something. You can choose what you see in the activity view. And as you can see in the training space, I uploaded a whole bunch of stuff for clients, videos, changing, moving. So this would be a really nice widget for tracking clients, what's going on. Are they working on their to-dos? Are they working on their tasks? Are they working on their training? You can choose which of the activities you actually want to be shown there, as well as team tracking. So not just on the side of clients, but also on the side of your team. Who is actually working or who just shows up online and shows as being busy and being here, but not doing anything. But also to track, what is your team doing? Have they changed anything? Have they changed any lists, views, all of that kind of thing? For example, one of my clients is really concerned about her team changing too many tasks or changing views around or all of those kind of things. Now she can put an activity view in and keep track of what her team is doing. Like it. Release notes. We got the activity dashboard. Ooh. This is going to be fun for a lot of us. By the way, can we get release notes in dark mode, please? That would be nice. So we talked about the activity view dashboard. Search public views. Ooh. So with the public view release, now that we can share a whole bunch of stuff public, we now get to search those too. So currently with public views, you can now apply filters and select the specific information you want shared publicly. Ooh. We now added search on public shared lists, calendars, and boards. Find what you are looking for in seconds rather than searching through hundreds of tasks. Sweet. This is going to make life way easier. Don't you love it? Oh, side note, by the way, if you have followed my videos, you've heard probably that I ran into the issue of generating a document through a view, deleting the view and losing the document in the process of it. ClickUp has already fixed that. You are now getting a status pop-up that says, hey, you really want to do this? Do you want to keep your document? So that was a silent release that has happened in between too. And we can now share publicly our Gantt view. Developers, web developers, any of you guys working in stages that are using Gantt view that have been asking for the whole PDF sharing client view stuff. We might not have a PDF sharing yet, but you can share your Gantt view publicly. Just imagine those possibilities. You set up your web development process or any other development process in the Gantt view, and you grab that thing and add it into your client portal or just send it to the client. Here's your timeline. This is what's going to happen. Embed the damn thing in a personalized website for your clients, however you want to do this. This is the perfect visual for clients to keep track of what's happening when. And by the way, I can see you. 5 people are watching. Jump in the comment section. Talk to me. Or just cheers me. That's fine too. Ooh, now that's interesting. Public sharing your everything view. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I feel good about that because I want to be able to share everything. The time has come now. Business Plus plans. Wait, Business Plus means business and up, right? Or are we getting a new plan? I'm guessing that is business plan and up. Can publicly share lists, board calendars, and Gantt charts from an everything view. Everything view allows you to share tasks across multiple spaces, making it a company-wide view. Publicly share the view with your clients or executive to allow them to access the whole picture and report across workspace. Okay, so that literally means the everything view. I don't know how I feel about that. If I want to share something with a client, I don't need to share the whole workspace. I need to share a space potentially. I'm going to have to dig on that. How, if you have a use case scenario on how you would use sharing of your everything view, let's check this out. I want to take a look at this. So we are in everything. And once my internet actually speeds up, we got the public sharing. Come on. Thank you. I would like to share that. Public sharing. I swear. People, go back to work. I want my internet back. This has been my day today. And no, it's not a ClickUp issue. It's my internet issue. I'm still wondering why I pay a ton of money for internet when it's just slow as F. Okay, let's copy the link. I want to see how that looks in a incognito window. So we got the public share link for everything, literally everything. That means every space that is not public should not be shown. You really should just see the everything list. Is there really a need to share everything? Am I missing something? Guys, do me a favor after you subscribed and hit the bell. Comment how you would use sharing the everything view, because I'm not quite sure yet. When I look into, and we're turning this back off. When I look at my everything view, I have client stuff in there. I have admin stuff in there. I have all kinds of stuff in there where I'm like, I don't know if I would use that. But that's neither here nor there. If you have a use case, yes, I've said it for the fifth time now. If you have a usage scenario for that, go share that. What else do we got? Ooh, that is the link that they were talking about. Not started status group. Yes. Okay, I'm excited about this one. There is a new status group in town, and it's named Not Started, which is perfect. I imagine. Again, I'm looking at these for the first time too. Not started for all of those recurring tasks, dependent tasks that where the other task is not ready yet and you are waiting for it. Any of the, I'm liking this because this really potentially takes care of our issues of, hey, there is tasks flying around that are not ready yet, that I can't do anything with it yet. They are not active. And I think this is where this status comes in. Because it's not active yet, it's not done, and it's not closed. Yes. Oh, look at that. And they really did that, like the not started on top, like we have the done statuses, we have the active statuses in between. Guys, nice solve for our complaining on that one. I like that. So can we toggle in the workspace easily to add statuses like open, to do? All of my backlog statuses now can be to not started yet. Yes. Default personal view. Look at that. That's an enterprise plan only. Okay. I would like to see that in business too. But that's fine. Not necessarily something I have to have. Other improvements, /comment, add a document from your task description without breaking up your flow. Okay, cool. Disable more in-app notifications. Oh my God, Chris, you are going to love this. One of my clients. Yep, we were just talking about cleaning up notifications today. We now have more possibilities on that. Drag and drop Gantt sidebar. Who doesn't love drag and drop? Filter for next week. Oh my God. In my client dashboards. Yes. Because it's not just 7 days. I like that one. I'm going to have to just jump again into my client dashboards. Filter for me, assignee. Make a view where people see what their priorities are. That's dynamic for who is looking. Oh my God, this means you do not have to. Ooh, okay, usage case for the filter me assignee. I have video guy. I don't think he has much in there right now. I've been working so much on client projects. Yeah, there is a few in there. So, oh look. We finally have our release notes. Everybody, release notes are there now. How do I set the dynamic me mode? With the me filter, you don't have to set a view for every person to see all their tasks. So what that means is if I set this to me, okay, and we need to test this because I really like this idea of making that into me mode, saving that view, and that is just everybody's task coming up, and I do not have to deal with it. Because as you can see right now, I used to set up task lists for team members, which is a pain in the ass. Now, with the dynamic me, you don't have to do that. You just set one task list, and it automatically changes for whoever looks at it. Turn on dark sidebar to add contrast for a clearly defined work. Huh? Dark mode sidebar. I already have a dark mode sidebar. What am I missing? Anybody can anybody translate that, please? For the German over here, I'm missing something. Dark mode. I only have dark mode. Is that, we got that dark mode, global font support, that's fine. It doesn't say in-app or anything. What am I missing? Girl, that's what happens when you are hanging out with one of your girls for the first time in 2 months and you actually kill half a bottle of white wine. And I guess once in a while I am funny. But having said that, I am not quite following the whole dark mode sidebar right now. Oh, that's a good point. Let me test that. Thanks, girl. Let's switch out of dark mode. Oh my God, I'm blind. I swear I tried the light mode, yet now I don't want to create a new space. Where did I create? I didn't click on that. But I'm still not seeing any. Where would that hide? I'm like, that would be a sidebar setting. Ooh, look, there it is. There it's hidden. So next to your spaces, in your spaces setting, there is the dark sidebar. Please, somebody send me a faster internet. Oh, please. There we go. Ooh. So that is the dark sidebar mode. And yeah, I'm like, I used to be light mode everywhere. And I have to admit, I went light mode back on my phone just because I couldn't read it with the San Diego sun. But on my desktop, it's dark mode all the way. Though I really like the idea of, for everybody that's in light mode, having that distinction. Now, where's my development team? Anybody from the development team watching? I would like to have that distinction too. Can we get a custom color maybe behind this or something? This whole gray black doesn't quite work for me. Maybe we dark mode people can get a different sidebar color too. So for everybody that just came in, the public release notes should be live now too. Oh, yes, they are. So let's do one more short roundup on the release notes and what I talked about. And as every good YouTuber does, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I go live or upload a new ClickUp video. Short roundup for everybody that came in late. We have circle and lead time widgets now. You can add to your dashboard a widget that tells you how fast your turnaround time on tasks was from the time it begins to from the start day or from the create day, because we also got a new started status. That is tasks that have not been started yet. It's not an active status. It's a non-active status for tasks that haven't been done yet. GitHub integration version 2.0. Guys, you can nerd out now. Two-way syncing, full link polling, all kinds of goodness right there. Activity view dashboard widget. What's going on? Choose which activity show where. Search public views. We always love searches, especially when you are developing this kind of stuff. Gantt view public sharing for all of my web designers and developers out there. Now you can share the Gantt view public with your clients. Grab the damn embed code, put it on the website, share the link with them. They finally can see what's happening on their project. I'm not quite sure yet what to do with the public sharing of the everything view, because why? But it's your choice. So I like to have things even if I don't need them. I already mentioned the not statuses group. Play around with that. We got default personal views for enterprise users. One of the things I'm really excited about is the filter for me assignee. You now don't have to build different task lists for your team to stay on track. If you do that task list in the me mode, it will automatically filter for whoever is looking at it. So save yourself some time, just build one list view and be done. For our white people, sorry, that was really bad choice of words. For the people that like the light view of ClickUp, you now can do just the sidebar on black in dark mode, have that distinction in between that. And we now also have filter for next week, which I'm also excited about. And who doesn't like drag and drop? So having said that and have done some really bad choice of words, I'm blaming the German accent on that one. Really bad choice of words and really bad timing on that one. I'm sorry, everybody. That was not planned like that. That is what happens when you go live after a half a bottle of wine and with English being a second language. This is version, what was it, 2.3.8? Yes, 2.3.8. And stay tuned. I'm going to finish the last little bit of my wine because ClickUp just loves to tease me in the middle of my dinner when it's warm and when I'm getting ready to enjoy my single life on a Friday night. I'll see you next time when more releases are happening. Stay tuned, and if you haven't done so yet, check out Anley Shakes and my new Facebook community. Yes, it's a paid community. ClickUp in real life, where you get to see all of our templates, all of the stuff we are implementing for clients, and how you can use ClickUp in real life. And better sign up fast if you're interested, because we are raising the price soon. Everybody, enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend, stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time when I open up the next bottle of wine. Bye.